Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Ooh, yeah.
Destination is on the left.
Where are we down? It's holding it? Yeah. Go!
It'll take a second to heat up. Don't cut it. Whether it's right there. Start it.
Anytime I work with, because it's a big bag.
Yeah.
So whatever happened to barbecue chips? I used to like barbecue chips.
You like sea salt and vinegar the best, right?
No,
So
sea salt.
just plain sea salt.
I thought you liked those one sea salt and vinegar chips.
No other flavors, huh?
No, this
It's
is
a good flavor. Sea salt's good. I like it.
He also made the smoke come his way.
Let's see if I can adjust it. There we go. Go that way.
You know what to say? Sorry, fast. Why is it shooting me?
It got me too.
There's you know that moss?
Yeah.
It's inside of it.
Attacking, yeah.
Oh. Everywhere we go, we have smalls. Is it broken?
No. Oh, don't get it too close to the fire.
Is this good?
Yeah. No, too high.
How's this? Is that good?
Yeah, so you want it there.
That's mine. Oh, mine's right there. These are really good smells in that case. Good thing I will be myself up. 1 bacon, 2 bacon, 3 bacon.
But that's a half.
Half. So ready.
Almost burnt already.
Way too
You're better now? Let me finish.
Yummies. I don't.
The kids are running around, climbing the trees, picking the flowers and chasing the bees. Living off bread and homemade wine is gonna be fine by me. We've been staying inside for quite some time, living on the edges of a world gone by. We lost Bill Withers and we lost John Prine, picking up the pieces of a world gone by. In a world gone by, in a world gone by, picking up the pieces and staring at a ceiling of a clear blue sky. In a world gone by, in a world gone by, looking at the evidence, running out of medicine, everybody's crying and it's leaving us dry.